turn your PlayStation on and you get this screen, the safe mode screen. You try to get out of it, hit OK by seeing if the files are somewhere on your PlayStation, but you know they're not, so you just hit OK. And what you're going to do is get yourself a thumb drive, and you're going to have to go to the PlayStation's website to download the files to initialize on the PS4. Okay, so here's our thumb drive. Make sure it's at least 2 gigs. Alright, we got the thumb drive in our PC. Now what we're going to do is do a format on the thumb drive. So go to the location of the thumb drive. There's my thumb drive. We're going to do a right click, go to format, uncheck quick format. You don't want to do a quick format because you want to get all the bad sectors off of this drive if there is any. It's going to ask you, are you sure? Say yes, and click OK. And this can take a minute, and depending on how large your thumb drive is, like I said, this can take a minute. So I will be back when this is finished formatting. Alright, thumb drive is finished formatting. Let's go to the PS4 website for our files. Okay, now let's go and find these files on the PS4's website. What you can do is open up a browser in Google. You're going to type in PS4 system files. Alright, and the first one that come up is usually the correct one, so we're going to click on that. It takes us straight to the PS4 system software update file, and we want 7.0. Yeah, okay, you're going to scroll down and find the file that says system software update. Click on it and download it to your computer. Okay, now after you have the files downloaded to your PC, you're going to go to your thumb drive, and we're going to create 2 folders. On the first folder, we're going to name it PS4. Make sure you put it in all caps, just like I do here.
Straight from the world's best plant scientists comes Miracle Grow Performance Organics. It's Miracle Grow's biggest thing.
Now inside this folder, we're going to name another folder called Update, and that needs to be in all caps as well.
And yes, we did say organic for twice the bounty, guaranteed. Miracle Grow Performance Organics.
Get everything you need for spring at miraclegrow.com. Order today.
Alright, now after you have that folder, inside of this folder is where we're going to copy the files we just downloaded from this website. So go find the files where it's downloaded at. Click show in folder. Click the file, hit copy. Go ahead and hit copy once you found the file. Go back to your thumb drive, and inside the update folder, we're going to paste it. Alright, right click inside the update folder and hit paste. Alright, after the files has copied over to the thumb drive, what you're going to want to do is don't just pull the the thumb drive out. Right click on it and hit eject. This is just so you don't mess up any files that's already on the hard drive now. The thumb drive. I don't know why I keep saying hard drive. This guy right here. Alright, now let's place this inside of our PlayStation. Give our PlayStation a reboot. Alright, let's go through that process over again. Go ahead and click enter. Click OK. And let's let it find these files. Just making sounds while this finds the files. Okay, I stopped. Alright, it found them. It says the PS4 will be installed. All users and data will be deleted. If you're okay with this, hey, yes. And here we go. It's installing, folks. Do not turn off the PS4. Yay, we got it. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you for watching. While I sit back, because my system is being prepared to be installed. Wow, I'm so happy for this.